Hello and welcome back to Metaverse. In this video, we'll describe the Aurora blockchain, how it integrates with the Near protocol, and why it's important if you want to be successful. Let's get started. Overview of Near. A network called Near has been in development for a while. Along with this approach, Near uses a delegated proof-of-stake mechanism to confirm new transactions. The creators came up with a novel concept they refer to as Doom Slug, as a quick mechanism to confirm these transactions with extremely quick finality, and a sharding mechanism that can handle up to 100 per second. The Near protocol is a DAO-inspired design, where they have guilds or groups of people who work on particular Near protocol aspects. Therefore, if the community thus wants, it can easily contribute. Also, recently, Near announced an $800 million incentive programs for users, which is going to be huge news whenever it launches and more DeFi applications start to move over, since Near is built from the ground up. When creating applications, developers must start from scratch. They do, however, have a solution for this, and it's rather simple and clear. They construct a subnetwork called Aurora that can execute Ethereum apps on an EVM. What is an EVM? Now that we've cleared everything up, let's talk about what an EVM is. This is important because it is essentially what Aurora is. EVM stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine. And to put it simple, it's literally the same code that runs Ethereum and its smart contracts. Many other projects out there have actually copied this code, changed it a bit, and then call it their own blockchain. For example, this is exactly what the Binance Smart Chain XDI and Polygon Network have done. Aurora is doing something similar as well, and you may be wondering why. The big reason is that developers don't want to create projects for up-and-coming blockchains. They want to develop something for a big, well-known blockchain. The trick is that whenever you create a decentralized application for any EVM blockchain, you can easily move your code over to another network. To give an example of this, AAVE is a decentralized application on Ethereum, while Gist is almost the exact same dApp on the Phantom network. The Compound is another dApp on Ethereum, and Cream is pretty much the same dApp on the Binance Smart Chain. The first way Aurora differs from other cryptocurrencies is that it uses Ethereum as its native currency. The Polygon network makes use of Matic. The Binance Smart Chain makes use of BNB. And the Phantom network makes use of FTM. In this way, each of these networks has a unique coin with a unique token optic to support it. Aurora made a very clear decision by choosing not to utilize the Near coin, even though they are aware that they do not require a coin. Aurora TPS Block Time Consensus Mechanism. Moving on, let's get into the specific numbers of Aurora. The average block time is around 1.03 seconds, and the finality is 2 seconds, which is very fast. The typical transaction cost is a penny or less, and using the Near consensus mechanism, they can process hundreds of transactions per second very easily. In any case, Aurora is really just a smart contract on the Near protocol, not its own blockchain. This is fantastic because it means that it inherits its block time and consensus mechanism from the Near network. The layer 2 scaling solution is really just a smart contract on the main chain, to put it briefly. Additionally, Aurora does not validate blocks of chain, in contrast to many other side chains. For security, all validation takes place on the actual Ethereum and near blockchains. This means that all the users need to trust is the Ethereum and near blockchains' consensus mechanism, which makes Aurora and its bridge fully trustless and decentralized. As Aurora really runs on top of the near protocol, it gives developers a comfortable Ethereum experience. Basically, developers may use Aurora to deploy the Solidity contracts they created for Ethereum and then make use of near cheap fees and quick confirmation times. The Aurora development team greatly benefits from the fact that Aurora is a smart contract. They are not required to manage validators, consensus, storage, or maintain track of a network. It implies that they can launch new things incredibly quickly and iterate fast. Aurora DAO. Moving on, let's talk about the Aurora DAO. Now, if you don't know what DAO is, or a decentralized autonomous organization, essentially a DAO is an organization where the decisions are made up by token holders and not elected CEOs or family members who are grandfathered into a corporate position. Token holders can propose and vote on new ideas or changes, and that's the main way that Aurora will actually grow and improve. If you own or hold the Aurora token, you'll be able to participate in this decentralized governing process. The best benefit of a DAO is that the surrounding community and actual investors are who get to decide on the big changes, so you know that they will have pure intentions of making the network the best it can be in a long time frame. Rainbow Bridge. Another thing I want to talk about is the Rainbow Bridge. Now, we all know that one of the largest problems in cryptocurrency is interoperability, or the ability to connect a bunch of blockchains. Aurora actually has its own Rainbow Bridge, which is what they're calling the tool that you can use to transfer your tokens to and from the Aurora and Near networks. This means you can easily move your funds from the Ethereum blockchain to the Near blockchain or Aurora whenever you want without trusting a third party, because the transfer is all done with code. From our discussion, what have you learned? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.